Have you ever encountered a DDHH error on your Luminous inverter? In this video, I'll walk you through the causes, how I solved the issue, and why lead-acid batteries can often recover from this problem while lithium-ion batteries may not. The DDH error typically signals a problem with the battery system. Common causes include deeply discharged batteries, unequal battery voltages, prolonged discharge without recharging, and overheating of internal circuitry. When I first encountered this issue, the inverter was lightly buzzing, likely from unbalanced voltage levels. Connecting it to AC mains to charge only worsened the buzzing, and the DDHH error persisted. To troubleshoot, I disconnected the batteries and measured their voltages. One battery read 10.77 volts, while the other was critically low at 8.94 volts. For inverters to function and charge batteries, the battery voltage must meet a certain threshold. Clearly the batteries were too unbalanced and deeply discharged for the inverter to recharge them. To solve this, I used an external battery charger to recharge the batteries individually. Lead-acid batteries, like the ones in this system, can often recover from deep discharge if charged properly. After charging both batteries to balanced levels, I reconnected them to the inverter and the DDHH error cleared. But what happens if you're using lithium-ion batteries? Lithium-ion batteries have built-in battery management systems, or BMS, to prevent deep discharges. If the voltage drops too low, the BMS may permanently disconnect the battery for safety. In a similar case, a lithium-ion battery in another system could not be revived, even when charged externally. This is because the BMS had already locked out the battery due to excessive discharge. Here's the lesson. Prolonged discharges, whether from a power outage, travel, or lack of solar panels, can lead to these issues. Lead-acid batteries are more forgiving, but lithium-ion batteries require consistent charging to avoid permanent damage. To prevent DDHH errors, 1. Regularly charge your batteries. 2. Use an external charger when needed. 3. Consider adding a solar system for reliable power supply. Understanding your battery type and its limitations is critical for a well-functioning inverter system. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical solutions to inverter and battery issues. See you in the next video.